Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can rate and pose properly on the runway in Dress to Impress. So I'm on a farming server currently, so I do need to vote everyone 5 stars, but you can vote them 1 up to 5 stars. If it's really good, rate them 5. Don't rate them like so low that it's like 1 or just 2 stars though. I'm just waiting for my model to come out. I hope I'm not last because I just joined this server, and hopefully I will come out soon so I can show you how you can kind of pose properly. I did lose one that I like, which is the chic one. I need to figure out the other poses first to be able to favorite them. So what I like to do is favorite the ones that doesn't look weird. So I favorited these ones are weird, but they're like useful in like cheerleader themes, so I do keep them as my favorites here. You can also favorite duos. But I like the chic and the sleek. I like pose 17. I like pose 16 as well. Oh, I like this. This one's actually pretty. Not photographer, but like obviously, again, farming server, don't need to follow themes that well. My one looks absolute garbage. Like, it looks absolutely horrible because I did it in like a time span. I'm still like ranking these people. Come on, when's it my turn? Like, I need to show them how to pose properly. Well, I'm just gonna pause it until my character is out. I'm just scared if I pause it now, then my character will be out. So if this one is not me, then... Oh, see? This is me. Damn, okay. So... just make it to the runway and select the poses that you want. Chic, sleek, and make sure you select the pose again when you're walking off the runway so it doesn't look weird. Ta-da! That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!